Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. The accused appellant Sarad and the deceased Manju got married on 11 to 1982 and deceased immediately started residing with the appellant in Taxila Apartments, Pune. Full stop. She found that the treatment of her husband and his parents towards her was cruel and harsh. Full stop. She kept hoping and was always willing to forgive and forget. Full stop. She complained she was treated in her husband's house as a laborer or as an unpaid maid servant. Full stop. She was made to all sorts of odd jobs, and despite her protests to her husband, nothing seems to have happened. Full stop. She seldom complained this to her parents or her husband except sometimes. On finding things unbearable, she did protest and expressed her feelings in clearest possible terms, in a fit of utter desperation and frustration, that he hated her. Full stop. She narrated her woeful tale to her sister Anju in letters where she took abundant caution of requesting Anju not to reveal her said plight to her parents lest they may get extremely upset, worried and distressed. Full stop. Manju was called to one Pearl Hotel on 17/3/1982 by her husband, where he introduced her to one Ujwal and told her that she must act according to the dictates and order of Ujwal, if she wanted to lead a comfortable life with her husband. Full stop. She then left for her maternal home and came back to Pune. Full stop. This happened a couple of times. Full stop. When for the last time she was at her parents' house, she was called by her father-in-law because the betrothal ceremony of Shobha appellant's sister was going to be held on 3/6/1982. Full stop. When Manju, accompanied by Anuradha wife of A2 and her children returned to the flat on 11/6/1982 near about 11 p.m. Full stop. Appellant was not in the apartment at that time and returned soon after and administered her potassium cyanide, as alleged by the prosecution. Full stop. She was found dead in her bed on the morning of 12/6/1982, nearly 4 months after her marriage. Full stop. As to the cause of death, there appears to be a very serious divergence between the prosecution version murder and the defense case suicide. Full stop. Doctors were called and apprehending unnatural death, body was sent for postmortem. Full stop. Findings of HC and TC. Both the High Court and the trial court rejected the theory of suicide and found that Manju was murdered by her husband, the appellant, by administering her a strong dose of potassium cyanide, and relied on the medical evidence as also that of a chemical examiner to show that it was a case of pure and simple homicide rather than that of suicide as alleged by the defense. Stop.